Most of us, why? Most of us who are in the media space, most of us who are in the media space, we don't talk, and we go through a lot of problems, and we don't talk kwa sababu the media wants us to be perfect, and that is one thing that I've tried to master. Social media is a scam. It is not a real space. What people show on the media space is not real. Unaona picha nzuri ni filters. Unaona maisha nzuri ni kufake. Sasa wewe unajikaza, unataka kufit pale, unapata marafiki wabaya, unapoteza direction. Social media is not a real space. And all we are doing as young people, we are competing with each other instead of collaborating and supporting each other. Ukiona mwingine ako na shida, tunaanza kuchekeleana, tunapiga picha. We should not be doing that. We should always be there for each other.
It's well. DJ, it's well. Tupigeni Obinna makofi mazuri. It is not easy. Yes. DJ.